Hello, everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on the TradingView app. If you want to switch your TradingView interface to a dark theme, I'll guide you through the simple steps. First, open the TradingView app and tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the J icon, your profile icon, at the top right to access the settings. Once you're in the settings, tap on Theme. Here, you'll see the option to select dark mode. If the dark mode option isn't selectable, it may be because the system theme setting is turned on. Simply disable the system theme toggle, and you'll be able to manually select dark mode. The app will then switch to the dark theme instantly. Note, if the system theme is enabled, the app will automatically follow your phone's appearance settings, dark or light. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.